Most people are drowning in options. We have 1,000 interests, 100 apps, and zero focus. But if you want to actually transform, you don't need more. You need less. You only need 3 hobbies. 1 to build your body, 1 to build your bank, and 1 to build your mindset. Hobby number 1, something that breaks you physically. This isn't about vanity. It's about stoic resilience. Whether it's lifting steel, martial arts, or high-intensity movement, you need a place where you are allowed to fail. When you push through that last rep or that final mile, you aren't just building muscles, you're building a mental callus. If you can master your body, the world loses its power to intimidate you. Hobby number 2, something that makes you smarter. But there's a catch. You must apply the Feynman Technique. Don't just read. Learn a complex craft, a new language, music theory, or deep philosophy, and then try to explain it to a 6-year-old. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it. This hobby turns your brain from a storage unit into a processor. It's about clarity. Most people live in a fog. The Feynman hobby is your lighthouse. Hobby number 3, something that allows you to create. Consumption is a trap. Creation is the escape. This is the hobby that keeps you human. It's the bridge between your inner world and reality. Whether you're writing scripts, composing melodies, or building a brand, this is where you find your flow state. Eventually, if you get good enough, this hobby becomes your freedom. It's the one that eventually pays for the other 2. Stop trying to do everything. Pick your 3. 1, the one for strength. 2, the one for wisdom. 3, the one for creation. Everything else is just noise. How do you feel about using this rule of 3, how to rebuild your reality? Let me know in comments.